Hi, it's Nadia. Today we are making a black rice loaf. It's a vegan bread with natural purple color. Very elegant. The moisture and stickiness of black rice makes it very soft and tender. I make this loaf quite often. The flavor is amazingly good. It's a wonderful choice of salad and sandwich bread. Let's see the ingredients. We'll need half cup, 90 grams of black rice, cooked, 2 1/4 cup, 300 grams of bread flour, 3/4 cup, 180 grams of water, body temperature, 4 teaspoons of coconut oil, 2 teaspoons of brown sugar, 1 teaspoon of sea salt, 1 teaspoon of instant yeast. If use active dry yeast, then it's 2 teaspoons. We can also substitute black rice with brown rice, round rice, quinoa, and oatmeal. Before everything, have a loaf pan lined with parchment paper. Then cook the rice. Volume ratio is using 1 cup of water to cook 1 cup of black rice. Mixing sugar and water to make yeast liquid. Give it 5 minutes to become foamy. Adding sea salt, mixing all the dry and wet ingredients. Kneading the dough with coconut oil. Move to a work surface to knead further. With black rice added, the dough is sticky and moist. Don't be tempted to add more flour. Give it 90 minutes for the first proofing, or till the dough doubled its size. Deflate the dough. Add some coconut oil and put it into the loaf pan. Put some hot water in the oven. Use it as a proofing box. Give it 60 minutes for the second proofing. When the dough reaches 80 to 90% full, have the lid brushed with some coconut oil and covered the loaf pan. Oven setting is 200 degrees Celsius, 400 degrees Fahrenheit. Baking for 50 minutes. Take it out from the pan. Remove the baking sheet. Have the bread cool down for at least 30 minutes. Slice the bread as many as you want, and it's time to enjoy it. Whether cooking at home or dining in a restaurant, when choosing what to eat for lunch or dinner, I wonder if you ever had similar indecisive situation. Do I want to have rice or bread with my chicken? There we have, it's a bread with rice. In particular, adding some amazing natural purple color into your meal, I'm sure it will also bring you good appetite. I wish you enjoy this recipe. Enjoy a wonderful day or night. And please always remember that life is beautiful. You are cherished and blessed. Thank you for your watching and considering to subscribe. I'll see you next time. Take care.